Excuse me, mate.
Oh,
Thank you.
thank you. Oh, it's a girl.
Alrighty guys, so that is a wrap on the 1.5" leveling kit with the EcoDiesel. I ended up going with the Alloy USA 1.5" spacer leveling kit. Wasn't that bad to install once I got it figured out. I did it in the parking lot, no lift or anything, just a bottle jack and 2 jack stands. It took me 3.5 hours to do in the parking lot. The second side only took 34 minutes, so it's really just like figuring out the right flow and what you need to do, but I think it looks so much better. Definitely more clearance, won't have to worry about tearing off the fenders as bad. I mean, I'll probably still end up tearing them off, but add some clearance to the front. I'll get some measurements out for space between ground and pumpkin, ground and axle shaft, tire and fender, and a few other measurements for you guys just so you can compare, see if it's worth it for your Gladiator. $100 for the leveling kit, $400 for the tires and the wheels, $200 for the 2 different side guards here, $400 for the winch, $200 for the front bumper. And yeah, I think that's where we're at for now. Overall, budget build on a $50,000 truck, not too shabby. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know what questions you have down in the comments. Pretty active down there, so be happy to help. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.